in my head tell me what to do as I wake up with the sunlight broken in two. I don't wanna feel and I don't wanna stay 'cause of you and the things you put me through. I believe every word that you told me. I believe when you said that you loved me. And you believed when I told you the same. But we always knew what we've been through together. Are you longing to hold me? Are you hurt, crushed, all alone? Are you still asking questions like if I'm ever coming home? But I